in here I have Tales of the Yawning Portal. And I am very, very eager to check this out. It includes this old module, C1, the Hidden Shrine of Tamoachan, one of my all-time favorites. I played this when it came out as a player, and then later on I DM'd this module. And there's a bunch of modules in here that I've either haven't played or played, but anyway, I wanted to just take a quick look in here, see what we've got, and see how the content in here matches with the old module. Briefly. Oh man. On the cover, the various images represent the modules that are in here. Okay, chapter 3, Hidden Shrine. Page 61. Let me just skip ahead real quick. The Hidden Shrine. So here's their new version of this, keeping the magic missile. Yeah, looking pretty good here. Okay. So here's the map. Let me it's obviously a bit smaller, but still looks initially like it keeps pretty much everything. The layout seems to be the same, and I don't see. It does not seem to have the. It used to be that modules came with. Some of them did anyway. Images that you could show, like the DM would take this and show the party. And I'm not seeing that in here. It does have some images, but not. See, here's. That's definitely a much better image. That just looks hecka creepy. Okay. So that's that. It does not seem to include all. I mean, it has all the rooms, but all of the images. I wonder if in the back. Okay, so here are. In the back, we've got the monsters that appear in the various modules that are in the book. Appendix A, magic items that are in the book. Appendix B will be the creatures. No index. That's interesting. And it goes straight to... Okay. Let's see. The beginning here. There's an introduction to the book and the modules. And then just jumps right into them. Okay, so this is what we've got. We've got the Sunless Citadel, Forge of Fury, Hidden Shrine of Tamoachan, White Plume Mountain, Dead In Thay, Against the Giants, Tomb of Horrors. And it lists maps here separately and the page that they are on. And I will be definitely going further in depth with this book in a bit. But I just wanted to give you my initial impression, and definitely is leaving a little bit out from what I can see. But these classic adventures for now the 5th edition of Dungeons and Dragons. I'm really looking forward to being able to bring up this and a couple of these other ones too into my campaign. Looking forward to doing a much deeper dive into this book and telling you a little bit more about it. All right, thanks.